I am here with Sebastiano Silvestri, a famous pilot and airplane designer. This year, Sebastiano has engaged himself in the international and national IMAC competitions with significant success. So I was wondering what he thought about this experience.
I'm 2 years involved in IMAC, and I'm very happy about this experience. Especially, I worked on myself to make me a better pilot. IMAC is a school for everybody, even in the unlimited class. Patterns are very, very difficult, especially the unknowns, and require a special adjustment of the radio. So I decided to put all myself in the last 2 years to reach the best and top level. I feel myself after 2 years of practice and training and competition a better pilot. So I'm very happy about my experience, and I wish all of the flyers IMACs the same. Just never stop. Go forward and practice and improve yourself. Work against you.